All right, here we go. July 24th. Just did the supers. Not much going on in there. We are in a dearth for sure. That's it. I'm gonna, what do I got going on today? I got HopGuard going in. So watch me do that. Show you what I do there. Show you my little beekeeping hack on that stuff. That stuff is nasty. Sticky. So here we are, like I said, July 24th. We're in a dearth, so I'm not expecting much. I haven't seen anything from, except for there's one hive that's still they're still putting eggs in swarm cells. But other than that, everybody else is just kind of running in place. Hold on, ladies, hold on. So I'm not expecting anything like that today. And I am doing HopGuard, just because of the temperature. All right, I'm gonna hold it out this way a little bit. It's a little bit of brood. This is pretty much a pollen frame. Outer frame, pollen. A little bit of brood. So she is still flying right along. I'm amazed to watch her. Last week's, just the sheets of brood that she's producing right now. It's amazing. Like this. This is what I'm talking about. Hopefully the shadow's gonna help, but look at that. Hello. That is awesome. So she's on fire. She's, whoa, little testing. Is it too early, girls? Smoke's a little better this week. I know last week I got a couple good comments. I had some wet wood chips, or damp wood chips. So anyways, this is ice. This is where it's all been emerged, and she has not come back yet. And now we're emerging in here. Right there's a bee coming out. There's another bee coming out. There's another one coming out. So this is where she came over and she literally just stuffed every corner, and now they're starting to emerge. So we're doing good. Like I said, we're HopGuarding everybody today. That's what we're doing. All right, go easy, girls, come on. I know I didn't give myself much room on the back here. Okay, so here's more emerging brood. A little bit of pollen. Shadow, I'm hoping it's gonna show better. But she... All right, so there's some eggs in the bottom corner. So she was over here on this frame. Could have been 3 days ago, so, but she has come back this side. All right, hold on, I'm gonna get a little smoke here. I don't want you guys angry today. These girls, I mean, not as bad as about a month ago. I don't even think the camera could hear anything but the buzzing. Trying to sneak in a little early today, girls. Got a lot to do. Here's another great frame. And let's see what we got. And there she is right there. Whoa, get on there. Don't hang off the side, please. Come on, just right there on the side. Right there. Where are you going? He's gonna get you in the spotlight. Where did you just go? There she is. So, shadows. I can't see. It's in the sun. I lost her. There she is. No, I don't think it's coming through. There she is right there. And just check these cups real quick. That one looks new. Nope. Nothing to get excited about. All right, where'd she go? Let's go to this side. Is she hanging on the side? I don't like it when she hangs on the side. Where'd you go, little lady? I just want to make sure you're in the center before I put you in. What are we doing? Between the sun at the right angle is covering my mask. Where did she go? All right, what did we do? I don't think she fell off. Where are you hiding, little lady? Probably right in here. All right, well, I can't find her, but pretty sure she's in here somewhere. Anyways, I am gonna, real quick, do you shoot off? Uh-oh, I'm gonna act like she's right there. Very carefully. Easy, nice and easy. Come on, you get out of the way. There, that's it. So we did see her. I'm gonna give myself enough room today. So, we're off. All right. Nothing really exciting, like I said. We are just kind of in the dirt. We're just kind of maintaining, and they're building out this. This is the frame I slid over last week. And they're building it out, and she's laying eggs all the way out to the corner, so she's making them build, which is phenomenal, which is what I want to see. Didn't expect much for the building, considering there's not much flow coming in, so. But hopefully she's going to push the numbers, and they'll be ready for the fall. Oh yeah. Hello, look at that. Oh yeah. So, like I said, we are, the shadow's terrible today. I won't do another video this early. I can hardly see, so I can just imagine what you're seeing. But there's nothing going on here. She's cranking right along. So they'll be huge again. I kind of went backwards for a little bit, made the switch, got them right back in the game. Yeah, look at this. I mean, that's 4 frames of decent brood. I mean, she's literally come right back over here and filled that again. So just some ladders on the bottom, nothing really to get excited about. All right, girls, looking good. All right. I don't know who put this close. There's no room over here. Anyways, this one here, I know they're working on. This is part of the nuke. So they were building up from the bottom nuke. So now I just got to get them. But she's literally laid eggs all the way to here. So she's pushed them. So they have to draw. Good job. So that's it. I know the bottom, the end one here doesn't have anything on it. There's a little bit of comb right there. But oh, I got to show you the... Oh, sorry. So anyways, I've the stuff, I've never used it before, so I can't talk on that part, but because it is approved this year for honey supers, so we're good. And because of coming temperatures, I'm using that instead of Formic Pro. So Formic Pro, I'm going to try to squeeze probably. Okay, girls. All right. Formic Pro, I'm going to try to squeeze the end of August. Okay, so let me, you're still on, right? You're still going? Good. All right, so it's 2 strips, or it's 1 strip per 5 frames. So I do 2 strips, and I try to just spread it out evenly. So this is what I do, because this stuff is a mess. And I'm not saying a bad thing. Like I said, I've never used it before, but it's hard to apply because it's, so I got a really long pair of tweezers because it's got the gel that drools out of this. And then, I don't hit the camera. what I do is I take a spatula, or sorry, a spatula, and I spread. And then I just drop it in. So that's it. I'm not touching this stuff. Like I don't have time to take my gloves off, and I can't wear. I sweat too much to be disgusting, but I can't do it. So this is it. This way I don't touch it. I'm not touching this stuff. I don't have to change my gloves because this stuff gets all over everything. So that's it. Little pair of tweezers. And then it has the little, where are we? 1, 2, 3, let's go over here. Has the little spacer so it spreads, but I find this works a whole lot easier. If you can see it through my hands. Come on, I can't even see with the sun this morning. Okay. So the key is to get it where there's not fat drones. So that's it. Tweezers, and a little, what? Drywall spatula is what you want to call those things. It's been in my house for years. That way I'm not touching it. I never touched it with my gloves. I don't have to change gloves. I don't have to worry about touching anything afterwards. That's it. So HopGuard is in. Thank you for watching.